We have good trading strategy here with IQ option by having our old method of trading. We got good trading results based on our trading performance. This will give you the benefit of staying positive in your daily trading. First of all, you must develop trading risk management first before trading in a crucial state of the market. Let's start trading by using this trading method. First of all, I will guide you on how to attach the indicator to our Metatrader 4 charts. First, let's go for the View tab, then the Navigator. Then to the Binary FX Pro folder. Attach the Binary FX Pro arrows, which will give you definitive arrows which is accurate for trend determining. Then our Binary FX Pro bars, which will replace our basic bars with advanced one. Then let's go to the additional indicators, which comes free if you have this acquired indicator. Let's attach the ultimate trend indicator. This makes our strategy strengthened by having red lines and green lines based on its trend strength. And lastly, our Binary FX Pro oscillator, which will guide us to possible trends. This will filter any market noises that will dominate and succeed us in our daily trading aspects. We can now see our trends and patterns through our Metatrader 4 platform. Let us now trade with this trading method. We have good trading momentum here with Euro GBP. It creates an uptrend arrow, having our Binary FX Pro oscillator is at the bottom, with its trend going higher. Also with our ultimate trend indicator. It tends to go higher. It's the best chance to trade and go for higher. I got only $1 here. I traded for $30 per entry. Whenever you restarted the IQ option platform, every trading deals that you set before will be reverted back to $1, as this is part of their security features, and is safe for IQ option traders. This is great for 1 minute to 5 minutes purchase time, since our charting method is good for quick trading. Make sure to trade on normal markets. Got good trading result for this one. This basically gives you 80 to 90% chance of trading success. Avoid greediness and losing also part of trading game. Let's trade with another currency pair. Let's check back for our Metatrader 4. This requires patience to succeed. A good charting position here to trade. With all of our indicators that meet our trading requirements. Let's go trade lower on this. It will need patience to get a good charting position. Best to deal with multiple currencies. Good trading result. Download the tools and indicator now at ultimatefxtools.com and get profited daily.